While the pandemic has forced many to be locked down in their homes, these Visayan artists are currently locked down in a church in Leyte, spending their time painting the church's ceiling with different Bible scenes. The story in this report from February Dumabok of GMA Regional TV Balitang Bisdak.
These beautiful and very colorful paintings covering more than half of the ceiling of St. Francis Xavier Church in Palumpon, Leyte attracted the attention of churchgoers and pilgrims. Through the painted sceneries, one seems to be reading the Bible from the Old Testament to the New Testament with the life, sacrifices, and glory of Jesus Christ. The paintings are very intricate, displaying the skills and creativity of the artists. The paintings were the creation of the Dibuho Kisame crew, led by Aris Pastor.
Sacrifice ni Christ, ng crucifixion, ascension. So, murag siyang natunong sa pandemic jud nga crisis ba. Oto kini nga face gibutang nga namog dako nga dedication in memory to all the victims of COVID-19 pandemic.
Challenges karon nga nag-pandemic siya kay first kulangan ni og artists kay naman ni mga artists na Cebu based. So, pagsugod sa quarantine, na sila, na stranded sila.
The artists were also behind the beautiful mural of St. Peter and Paul Church in Bantayan Island, Cebu. But while many artists helped in the Bantayan project, due to the pandemic, only 7 of them worked on the church ceiling in Leyte. This project, by virtue of its theme, has given this group a different kind of happiness and satisfaction.
Ang sacrifices ba maod ng unod sa visual catechism, mo sacrifice for others. Maunang nabuhat namo sad nga ganito nung sad nga murag nakahinulsol mi ba.
Together with cameraman Cleo Lumayag, I am February Dumabok for GMA Regional TV.